Hello, I'm back for this week's tutorial and I'll be showing you two techniques of how to ride over a rock. So I'll be looking at the touch front technique and the splat technique, and yeah, we'll have a little go at both of them and I'll try and show you how to do it. I've got a couple pallets and I'm trying to use things that you guys can also use at home, as well as being on a new bike this week. It's the TRS with the electric start, and it's quite a new thing that's come out, and it's one of the first competition trials bikes to have one on it, and yeah, it works well. So the first technique is touching the front wheel, and this technique I'll be using the pallets, and I mean it's the easiest thing I can think of that you people will have at home. And so for this technique, what I want you to do is to ride in, touch the front wheel halfway down from the top, and as your front wheel touches, the front suspension will compress, your legs will bend, and your back suspension will compress as well, and you'll bounce up on top. And it's all in your legs and using the suspension you've got on your bike. Here's the demonstration. Right, so you're coming in and hitting the front wheel halfway. So the pallet idea didn't work, so I did it up in the rocks instead. If you guys have got pallets at home and you can keep them still, that's the best thing to do it on and the best way to annoy your neighbours. So the last technique is the splat technique. The splat technique is basically a jump, but you're not jumping off of anything, you're jumping off of the flat. So you're using the front and the back suspension, so you're riding along, compressing your legs, compressing both front and back suspension, and lifting the whole bike. So as you come up with the bike, I want you to be as explosive as possible. So you pull the front up, do a wheelie, and then using your back to kick your back wheel up. And I'll show you in the video now.